We've learned that the lead defense attorney in the case fell ill last week and won't be available to resume his duties for at least another month. The lawyer who stepped in today told the judge there's no way he can quickly review the 6 million pages of documents connected to this case to quickly get up to speed. Do you expect the judge to rule in your favor on this motion for a mistrial?
I have no comment on it. Sorry. I appreciate it.
After a 3-day pause in testimony, the defense in Ted DiBiase Jr.'s federal trial filed a motion for a mistrial. That came after lead defense attorney Scott Gilbert became ill last week.
Okay.
Can you tell us how Mr. Gilbert is doing?
I haven't spoken to him. Hopefully he's doing really well. That's what our prayers are for.
We believe Gilbert may have gotten sick at some point during cross-examination of former Director of Department of Human Services John Davis on last Wednesday. Tuesday, former Trump administration attorney Eric Hirschman told the judge Gilbert will be out for the next 3 to 4 weeks and possibly even longer. Hirschman says DiBiase hired Gilbert as his attorney, and it would be a violation of his Sixth Amendment right under the U.S. Constitution to have another attorney take over instead of the counsel that he chose. Assistant U.S. Attorney Dave Fulcher told the court DiBiase has 2 other attorneys who could take over in Gilbert's absence. He says the case has already been continued several times, plus other co-defendants who pled guilty are now awaiting sentencing. The jury was assembled in the courtroom about an hour ago and told by Judge Reeves they were being sent home for now and that they would be contacted by the court when they should return to the courthouse to continue hearing evidence in the case. And Judge Carlton Reeves told both sides that he is reviewing that defense motion for a mistrial and that he said he would issue a ruling as expeditiously as possible. For now, we're live at the federal courthouse in downtown. Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.